Let's see, weekly update. This is the week of train whistles. Anyways, the train ruins my intro. Weekly update. What's new on my channel? 484 subscribers, according to YouTube. What is it? Wait, let me read this for you. According to YouTube statistics, which YouTube Studio Analytics, where is it? I'm up. In the last 28 days, I'm up 89 subscribers. So if you are watching my channel or you've subscribed and actually came back to watch this, thank you very much. If you're subscribed and didn't come back at all, thank you very much for subscribing. If you're still here, like the few faithful few that watch my insane videos every morning, afternoon, noon, and night, which is probably all 10 of you, thanks for watching. But I appreciate everybody for signing up, whether you want to watch my channel or not. It helps me get to 1,000 subscribers sooner. Not that I was in a rush to get there anyway, but it's kind of cool to have goals, I guess. But I mean, I don't care if I make money off this thing. I mean, I guess in one way I gotta like make some money, but but I'm not like, that's not my goal. My goal was never to, what do you call it, make money on YouTube. It was just to have fun. And thanks to Arco at Outlaw Edge Customs, he's the one that sucked me into, hey, you should make a YouTube channel. It's kind of fun though. I mean, I'm glad he suggested it, because I never, without his like encouragement, I would have never did it. I would have been like, yeah, YouTube channel. What the hell am I doing YouTube? So weekly update. I worked on my kitchen bench. I only work on a couple hours a night, so if it feels like it's taking months long, it's probably because it is. If I had an entire Saturday and wasn't working every Saturday, I could probably finish it off in 2 days. But instead, those, like, basically it's going to get spread over a couple of months. Probably be done by Christmas for all I know. So those videos are slowly popping up. I got the frame all done. The last about 7 days I haven't been here. Went camping on the weekend, did a bunch of stuff. It was fun, relaxing. Made a whole, if anybody notices, I made a whole bunch of stupid shorts, and yeah, I got like, I don't know, like 25,000 views. I think at one point almost 50,000 views. So people, if you make shorts, make them crazy and almost oblivious. People just, like, some of them get no views and the rest go off the rails. So yeah, that's pretty much a weekly review. I got a few more things I'm going to be reviewing on the channel, and you'll see those probably 2 months from now, because what I've been doing is just putting, if you haven't been here and haven't known this before, if I buy any new, like, anything for my garage, I just keep putting them way down the line. Whatever work I'm doing just goes on top of it. So if there's 2 videos one day, the first video of me doing work will show up 8 o'clock in the morning, and the other one will show up 8:15, 8:30. So that's pretty much it. You'll end up with 2 videos. So I've been trying to stagger them every other 2 days, and that's it pretty much. That's it for the what's new. Was it July? Shit, I don't know what the hell date it is. What's new as of the week of July 8th. So thanks for watching again. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe, any button you want, as long as you subscribe. You don't have to come back if you don't want. If you're bored of content, you know, go watch Colin Furs' channel or somebody else, because there are some really good channels. Also, don't forget to check the channels listed on my page. There's a whole bunch of really cool channels on there that right now I can't seem to remember any of them. So Danny at DG Retro Customs, he's been putting out some really good content lately. Arco's back with some really cool content at Outlaw Edge. Vino Rat Rods, thanks for watching. People go check out his channel. It's pretty cool. I love that little wine barrel thing. It's like, who would have thought making a rat rod or wine barrel? Maybe you can make one of those Revel models, you know, plastic snap together models. They just give you a block of wood and you gotta carve out the car. Anyway, I'll shut up now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for all your comments, your support, and never thought I'd get this far. So, toodles.